Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Avenue B and C local and long distance movers near me. Do you require the assistance of a dependable and swift moving company to assist you with your relocation? If that's the case, you've come to the right spot, since 3 men and a truck is the perfect moving company for the job. We provide the best cheap local and long distance moving services in Avenue B and C, Arizona. Would you like to know why we're the best moving company in Avenue B and C, Arizona? Please take a look at our moving packages to find out. Our moving business is efficient, affordable, and will get your belongings moved as quickly as possible. We put a lot of effort into providing you with the most reliable and effective services possible. Because of our devoted team, competence, and satisfactory charges, we're the perfect company to help you relocate your valuables. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles from your existing location. This type of move necessitates a great deal of forethought and capable hands. For every long-distance move, we create a well-structured plan. Our capacity to deliver on schedule is one of our best attributes. We understand that you must have all of your stuff at your new home to settle in properly. Our movers are well-trained and will handle your belongings with care. We only hire experienced drivers. Our drivers have a lot of expertise transporting great distances with household items. They are well-versed in all state and federal highway regulations and adhere to them. They also have a long-distance driving permit. Our drivers are cautious but efficient in delivering your belongings on time. We sort, pack, and label your belongings into our moving trucks in the proper order. Our movers are professionals when it comes to organizing and securing stuff in lorries. Our trucks are perfect for hauling things over great distances. They're big, open, and well-balanced. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.